us to Science Department. Today we are going to see about matter. So we know already that the universe is made up of matter and energy. Humans are constantly trying to discover the relationship between the matter and energy and interaction between them in our daily life. And matter is nothing but anything that occupies space and has volume, that is called as a matter. If we want to know in detailed manner, first of all, we have to learn about the properties of matter. So the nature of the matter can ascertain based on their properties and composition. The scientists, based on that, they have classified the matter based on the appearance and composition. So they classified first one based on the appearance. So based on appearance means we can say that it denotes the physical properties. It denotes the physical properties of matter. Next one, based on composition. So based on composition means it denotes the chemical properties of matter. So if you want to learn in detailed manner, first of all we have to learn the properties, both the properties, which means the physical based on their appearance, chemical based on their composition. So in this session we are going to deal with the chemical properties of matter. Matter is made up of one or more components that is called as a substance, and it cannot be divisible into further matter. If a substance consists of only one component, we can say that is a pure substance. Or we can say a matter consists of only one component, we can say that is a pure substance. See, in all the places, we can't expect the substance is pure. What does it mean in science pure? Commonly, we say that pure is free from germs. Isn't it so? So here, pure means which have uniform composition and similar properties. That is the meaning of pure. In Tamil we can say சுத்தமான pure. காமனா வந்து சுத்தமானன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஆனா இந்த சயின்ஸ்ல வந்து which have the similar chemical properties. That is the meaning. So we can't expect the substance in pure form, which means it is a mixture. It is a mixture of many substances. It is mixed of many substances, which we call as a mixtures. So mixture means it is otherwise called impure. So for example, take a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of sand or soil. Just to view through a magnifying glass, what do you observe? We observe that the particles of sugars are of same size, same color. Okay, so from this we can say that all the particles of sugar consist of a same kind, which is called as a pure. So sugar is a pure substance. And see to the soil. On viewing the soil, we come to know that the shapes, sizes and color of the particles are differ from one another. So from this we can conclude that soil is one of the impure substance. So based on this, we can classify the matter into pure and impure. Pure substance and impure substance. As I said, the another name of impure substance is mixture. The another name of impure substance is mixture. So from this we conclude that the matter is not only a pure substance, there will be a impure substance also. Now let me see in detailed manner about the pure substance and impure substance. Substances which is made up of only one kind of particle. Only one kind of particle. So only one kind of particle is called as a pure substance. So here this particle refers to atom or molecule. Atom or molecule. So from this we can define the pure substance. Pure substance or the substance which is made up of only one kind of atom or only one kind of molecule. Example, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, water. So here, carbon dioxide comprises of carbon and oxygen. And here water, in water hydrogen also present, oxygen also present. And from definition what we learn, it is made up of only one kind, isn't it so? So here carbon dioxide also is one of the pure substance. Water is also belongs to that category only. How we can say that? The proportion of pure substance is same. So here carbon dioxide will always in the form 1:2 ratio, and here in water 2:1 ratio. So the proportion is same in the pure substance. So due to that it have the high melting point and boiling point. Okay. So due to this we can say that carbon dioxide and hydrogen is the pure substance. Okay. Now let me see about the impure substance. So impure substance. So what is impure substance? Substance is made of more than one kind of particle. We can say that as a impure substance. So how to define? The substance which contains or which consists of one or more particles, we can say that as a impure substance. Example, we can say, so LPG, CNG, even we can say cool waste. So it consists of many particles and their chemical properties are differ from one to another. So we can say those are impure substance and the proportion is not same. It will be differ from one to other. So it will not have the same melting point and boiling point. It will be very low and it will be differ from one to other. Okay. So based on this, we can conclude the matter is classified into the pure substance, impure substance, so on learning detail about the chemical properties, further the pure substance can classified into elements, compounds, and this impure substance is otherwise called as mixtures as good. homogeneous, heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, and here this element is further classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids. Okay, so based after learning the chemical properties, and we can classify the pure substance as elements and compounds, and elements further classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids, and compounds can further classified into organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Next, we are going to learn in detail about elements. Now, we are going to see in detail about element. The word element was first introduced by the scientist Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier. And he defined the atom and he defined the element. Element is nothing but it is the simplest form of pure substance which cannot be broken or which cannot be broken by physical or chemical method. So element, according to Antoine Lavoisier, it is the simplest form of pure substance which cannot be broken by physical or chemical method. Later on, John Dalton said element is a simplest form of atom. The simplest form of atom is the matter. Okay, and he defined that element is nothing but it is a pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom. We know that the universe is made up of many elements. That is very few elements. Few elements means we can say hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. So what we know, 118 elements are there. 118 elements. So in this, the universe is made up of two major elements. Two major elements are one is hydrogen, second one is helium, and third one is some of other elements. So major elements are here. One is hydrogen, another one is helium. So hydrogen is about 92%, and helium is about 7%, and other elements 1%. Okay, next we are going to see about the classification of elements. So first one, based on their physical properties, it is classified into solid elements, liquid elements, and gaseous elements. So based on their chemical properties, it is classified into metals, non-metals, and metalloids. So now we are going to see about the solid elements. So it is classified based on physical state. First of all, it is classified based on their physical state. Second one, based on their appearance. Based on their appearance. So now we are going to see about based on their physical state. So it is classified into solid elements, liquid elements, gas elements. So example of solid elements are sodium, sodium, K, potassium, Fe, iron, Al, aluminium, etc. Next, liquid elements. Mercury is the only liquid element at 298 Kelvin. What is 298 Kelvin? Room temperature. Next one, cesium. Next we can say gallium. So cesium at 202 Kelvin. It is in liquid form at 302 Kelvin, and here gallium 303 Kelvin. So the only liquid element at room temperature is mercury, then cesium, and then gallium. Next, example of gaseous element. First one is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. So next we are going to see about based on their appearance. So based on appearance, metals, non-metals, metalloids. So in next class we can see about metals in detail manner.